The Ford Capri name carries a special place in automotive history. For decades, it represented sporty driving, stylish design, and attainable performance. Now, with the arrival of the 2026 Ford Capri, the legendary name returns in a completely new form. This modern interpretation combines advanced electric technology, bold styling, premium comfort, and cutting-edge features, while maintaining the spirit that made the original. Capri, such an icon, the first time you see the 2026 Ford Capri, it immediately stands out. It doesn't look like a traditional SUV, nor does it resemble a conventional hatchback. Instead, Ford has created a sleek, coupe-inspired crossover with a strong road presence and a modern character that feels perfectly suited for the electric era. Walking around the front of the vehicle, the design appears clean and futuristic. The closed-off grille area reflects its electric nature while maintaining a distinctive identity. Slim LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, creating a sharp and aggressive appearance. The daytime running lights provide a unique lighting signature that makes the Capri instantly recognizable. Especially at night, the front bumper incorporates aerodynamic elements that improve efficiency while enhancing the sporty appearance. Every line and contour has been carefully sculpted to reduce drag and maximize range. Unlike many electric vehicles that prioritize function over style, the Capri successfully combines both. Moving along the side profile, the sloping roofline immediately catches your attention. This coupe-inspired silhouette gives the vehicle a dynamic stance even when parked. Large alloy wheels fill the wheel arches perfectly. While strong character lines create a sense of movement and athleticism, the flush door handles contribute to the vehicle's clean design and improve aerodynamic performance. Black trim elements contrast beautifully with the body color, giving the Capri a premium and contemporary appearance. At the rear, the design becomes even more dramatic. Full-width LED taillights stretch across the back of the vehicle, creating a futuristic lighting signature. The sculpted rear bumper and integrated spoiler add a sporty touch while helping airflow move efficiently around the vehicle. Opening the door reveals an interior that feels far more premium than many buyers might expect. Ford has focused heavily on technology, comfort, and practicality. The cabin combines minimalist design with advanced digital features, creating an environment that feels modern without becoming overwhelming. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment display, positioned perfectly within the driver's line of sight. The screen serves as the command center for navigation, entertainment, climate controls, vehicle settings, and connectivity features. The graphics are sharp, the menus are intuitive, and the system responds quickly to inputs. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Drivers can access navigation, music, messages, and apps without needing cables. Directly ahead of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster. This customizable display provides essential information such as speed, battery charge, driving range, navigation directions, and driver assistance status. The layout can be personalized according to individual preferences. Material quality throughout the cabin is impressive. Soft-touch surfaces, premium upholstery, contrast stitching, and carefully selected trim materials help create an upscale atmosphere. The attention to detail is evident in every corner of the interior. The front seats provide excellent comfort and support, whether driving across town or embarking on a long road trip. Occupants remain comfortable thanks to ergonomic design and generous cushioning. Higher trims include heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable seating functions. Rear seat passengers enjoy impressive space considering the sporty roofline. Legroom remains generous, while carefully designed seat contours provide excellent comfort during longer journeys. The flat floor made possible by the electric platform further enhances passenger comfort. Storage solutions are plentiful throughout the cabin. Door pockets, cup holders, center console compartments, wireless charging areas, and clever storage spaces make everyday use convenient and practical. One of the Capri's greatest strengths is cargo capacity. The rear luggage area offers impressive storage space for shopping, travel luggage, sports equipment, and daily necessities. Fold-flat rear seats increase versatility even further, making the vehicle suitable for a wide variety of lifestyles. Technology plays a major role in the driving experience. The 2026 Ford Capri features the latest generation of Ford's intelligent connectivity platform. Over-the-air software updates ensure that systems remain current and can receive improvements long after purchase. Voice control functionality allows drivers to interact naturally with the vehicle. Simple spoken commands can adjust navigation, climate settings, audio functions, and other features without taking hands off the wheel. Premium sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Multiple strategically positioned speakers deliver rich audio quality that enhances every journey. Under the bodywork lies advanced electric vehicle technology. Depending on the chosen version, buyers can select from single-motor rear-wheel drive models or dual-motor all-wheel drive variants. The entry-level model focuses on efficiency and range while still delivering strong performance. Instant electric torque provides smooth acceleration from a standstill, making city driving effortless and enjoyable. The dual-motor version adds significantly more power. With electric motors powering both axles, acceleration becomes remarkably quick. The instant response characteristic of electric vehicles creates a driving experience that feels both exciting and refined. Ford engineers have carefully tuned the suspension to balance comfort, and handling. The Capri absorbs road imperfections effectively while maintaining enough firmness to feel composed through corners. The result is a vehicle that feels comfortable during daily commuting, yet remains engaging on winding roads. The low-mounted battery pack helps lower the center of gravity. This improves stability and reduces body roll, contributing to confident handling characteristics that many drivers will appreciate. Battery technology is one of the most important aspects of any electric vehicle, and the 2026 Capri delivers impressive capability. Depending on battery size and drivetrain configuration, driving range is expected to exceed 350 miles. On a single charge in certain versions, this range allows most owners to complete several days of driving without needing to recharge. Long-distance travel becomes practical and convenient thanks to efficient battery management and advanced charging. Technology, fast charging capability, allows the battery to recover a significant percentage of capacity in a relatively short period. Under ideal conditions, drivers can add hundreds of miles of range during a brief charging stop. Home charging solutions make daily ownership simple. Overnight charging ensures the vehicle begins each day with a full battery and maximum available range. Safety remains a major priority. The 2026 Ford Capri includes a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems, designed to improve confidence and reduce stress. Behind the wheel, adaptive cruise control automatically maintains a safe following distance from traffic ahead. Lane centering assistance helps keep the vehicle positioned correctly within its lane. Blind spot monitoring provides additional awareness during lane changes. Automatic emergency braking continuously monitors the road ahead and can intervene if a potential collision is detected. Rear cross-traffic alert assists when reversing from parking spaces, while parking sensors simplify maneuvering in tight areas. A 360-degree camera system provides complete view around the vehicle, making parking and low-speed maneuvering easier than ever. Traffic sign recognition keeps drivers informed about changing road conditions and speed limits. Ford's advanced semi-autonomous driving technologies further reduce fatigue during long journeys. Certain highway driving situations can be handled with minimal driver input while maintaining safety and compliance with regulations. Climate control systems have been optimized specifically for electric vehicle efficiency. Heat pumps improve energy management while maintaining cabin comfort in various weather conditions. Passengers remain comfortable without unnecessarily reducing driving range. The Capri also introduces multiple drive modes that alter throttle response, steering feel, regenerative braking intensity, and overall vehicle behavior. Drivers can choose settings focused on efficiency, comfort, sportiness, or balanced performance. Regenerative braking deserves special mention. This system captures energy during deceleration and sends it back to the battery. In stronger settings, drivers can perform much of their driving using only one pedal, improving efficiency while reducing brake wear. Expected pricing places the Capri competitively within the growing electric crossover segment. Entry-level models are anticipated to start around Siwen Wuchen mid-range. Trims equipped with additional technology and comfort. Features may range between $50,000 and Luwen fully loaded dual-motor all-wheel drive versions with premium equipment could approach $65,000, depending on market and options. While not inexpensive, the Capri offers advanced technology, strong performance, premium features, and impressive practicality that justify its position. The return of the Capri name represents more than nostalgia. It symbolizes Ford's commitment to combining heritage with